Hello students, welcome back to my channel Trivisha Classes. Students, in today's class I am going to teach you about sense organs. Okay, so before starting this topic I would like to say you about the body parts. You can see your body parts. We will do till face. Okay, head, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, tongue, chin, cheeks and ears. These are our face body parts. Now let's come to the topic sense organs. Okay, students, we have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. First is eyes. Eyes. Okay. Second, ears. We have 2 ears and 2 eyes. Third is nose. Fourth is your tongue. And fifth is your skin. So students, these are our 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Okay. Now let's again touch this body parts. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and our skin. Okay. Now these 5 organs, they have their special functions. Now let's look eyes. What is the function of the eyes? Eyes helps us to see. We see with our eyes. Next is our ears. What is the function of the ears? The function of the ears is that we hear. Whatever somebody is speaking, whatever I am speaking, you can hear with your ears. Now let's come to the third sense organs, that is your nose. Third sense organs is your nose. The function of the nose is that we smell with our nose. Good smell, bad smell, whatever the smells you observe in your environment, that function our nose does that function. Next, fourth is your tongue. The function of the tongue is for taste. Whatever we eat, we taste from our tongue. Whether it is sweet, sour, whatever the taste you get, that the function is of tongue. Next function is of skin. What you do? What is the function of the skin? The function of the skin is that you feel with your skin. If you pinch yourself, what you do? You feel it. If your skin is burnt, you feel that. Okay, students? So these are the 5 sense organs, and all these 5 sense organs, they have their specific function. Now let's again repeat the function of the eyes. Eyes helps us to see. We see from our eyes. Next is our ears. Okay, the function of the ears is to we hear with our ears. The next is nose. We have one nose, and the function of the nose is that we smell with our nose. Next is our tongue. And the function of the tongue is that we taste from our tongue. Whatever the taste we get, sweet, sour, bitter, that our tongue does it. And the last one is our skin. And the function of the skin is that we feel from our skin. Okay, students? Students, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and please click on the bell icon.